Alright, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the exit signs, because as you can see, it's right here. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox that. It seems that I think we got a lot of exit signs. I think we should start off with this sign, which is out of order right now. We got the out of order exit sign. This will be in my exit sign room, which is right on over here. So, here it is. Alright, now let's see what else. And we got the exit sign, the light fixture sign. Really old, I can say. And of course, this one, it should be in my exit sign room, which is right here, right next by, which I'm going to do a little bit later. So, let's put this one down. Now, let's see, we got this one, this big guy. Oops. Nope, the box is not big enough. There we go. This one right here is my big beam combo unit. Really big, as you can see. Heads. And this one is actually incandescent, as you can see right there. Really huge. And also the Google speaker, which we do not have to worry about it. Alright, now let's see what else do we have. And my exit sign face plates, of course, should be right here for now. So what else? And of course another face plate. Where do I have that in here? And another one, with also an exit sign board came with it. See what else? We got a lamp, but we don't have to worry about it. But we got more diffusers for exit signs and stuff. And this one should be in my exit sign room, which I'm gonna put it in right now. Alright, now I think we do have more inside. Let's see what we have. Nope. Big fan. This one right here is my commercial electric emergency light, and this one right here should be in my room. We should put that in here right now. Alright, and it's all connected. Of course, this one, that's connected to the outlet. And there's more in here. Let's see what else. Interesting. We got all the exit sign diffusers here. And also faceplates. Alright, now we're going to put those two exit sign combos in my room and see how it works. We're just going to put them in the room, I don't care. Let's get started. Alright, so you know what I did to the emergency light? Well, so at this thing right here on the emergency light, if I turn my flashlight on, I put tape on it to hold it onto this pole. Like normally I don't want the emergency light to fall off. Basically, if I want to hit the button on this one, where's the button? It goes to emergency mode. So, turn the flashlight off. Let's see. Alright. Now let's hit the power switch. Now basically if I hit the power switch, the emergency lights will come on. That's really cool. Alright. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe.